Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I am going to do my homemade sausage.
Wow.
I got this rice paper to do sushi, and I thought that I can use it to do something else. So I came up with a recipe today, and I am going to try it out here. I did some earlier and they turned out great, so I thought, why not do a video of it? So come along with me and let's do it together. So here I have some sunflower seeds, some cashew, and some almonds. And so I'm going to make a flour out of this, and then you will see what else I will do. Okay. It's always good to have clean hands because it just saves you so much time. Okay. All right. We're gonna blend this away. All right. All right. After you make the flour with that, family, you go ahead and pour it in your...
Bless you.
Bless you. So after you make the... You throw me right off with that sneeze. So after you make the flour here, family, just trying to get everything out here. Okay. Then I have here, in here I have some dehydrated parsley and cilantro. So I just want to, I forgot that I had to do this part. I'm just gonna put, because whenever you see things for a good price, you have to take it, dehydrate it, or freeze it, so that oh, that should be enough, so that when you need it you don't have to buy it for the expensive price. So one more second here, family. One more second here. Let's go in again. All right. That didn't take too long. And now I sprinkle it there. Okay. And then I have some nutritional yeast. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of black salt. I like the flavor that the black salt gives to it. And that's it. So now I'm gonna work this in. All right. There has to be more to this, right? This could never be it. So this is what we're gonna do now. After I work this in, see the cilantro and the parsley is giving it that nice color. I don't know if you can see. And also the flavor that it's going to add with the nutritional yeast, with all these nut flours. You can tell it's going to be tasty. All right. So we're going back in again. Simple Life. We're going back in. And this time, here I have in my steamer, I have some sweet potato and some carrots. So I'm just gonna put that right in the blender. Stove is off. Okay. Because the carrot has water in it, I don't need to add any water to blend it. And it's already steamed, so the water is activated from the carrot and the stuff. Okay. So now I just need to get this out of here, in there. Family, this is smelling so good already, believe me. The carrot, I was going to do it with carrot only, and then I remember I love sweet potatoes. So I'm like, why not use the sweet potato to do it? So then now I come in and I just mix everything together. I don't need to put any oil in here because all the nuts already have oil. So that's already the healthy fat we have going for us there. And the nuts, remember the nuts now are flour. So the sweet potato and the thing and the carrot is just combining with the, oh, I can smell the black salt in here. Smells so good with all these wonderful nut flour. You see how it, see that, family, look? Because of the nut flours. And just perfect. I am no kidding, no gesturing. It's really nice. Okay. All right, so what's gonna make this into a sausage now? I have some water here that's hot. So before, hold on, stay right there, please. Stay right there. So I'm going to need this surface here. All right. Wash my hands. Good. So I'm going to get now the rice paper and I'm going to put it here in the water. Okay. Okay. It's very hot. You're gonna come here and you're just gonna take some, we needed some light here. Just gonna try and shape it out as much as you can, family. However much you want. And then I like to put the sides in like that. And then you shape it out. And I will be dehydrating them, so I'm just gonna set it there like that. And then I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna do at least 4 so that you can see how. So the water is very hot. Gotta make the water hot in order to soften up the rice paper. And you know, these are so much healthier than buying those store-bought sausages, because I tried eating them before, and I find that the casing that it's in, it wasn't as soft as this casing tends to be. Be putting them ahead of time. So this is how it feels here, Simple Life. So you just have to put it in the hot water in order to soften it. Victory is mine. And you can feel when all of it is. Some of them will break on you, but you just try to fix it as much as you can. Thank you, dear. You know, when you're making something and you taste it and it's already tasting good, like you could eat this on its own. You don't even need to go on in here and put it in this, but trying to make something different, right? So that's why. Oh, thank you, sweetie. All right, we're gonna do about 5, and then you could put 1 more in the water, sweetie, please. We're gonna do about 5, and then I'm gonna show you how I end it. Just fold it in, and you can just roll it like that. Roll it, and then you shape it the way you want to shape it. Okay, 1 to go. It's so soft. Well, it's rice, right? So all right. All right. And there you go, family. Some homemade, what do you call those? Bratwurst sausage, those sausage in the store. And here I have a little coconut oil and some organic tamari sauce. I'm just gonna sprinkle on it like that. All right. And then one more thing I need to show you, because I love onions so much, I'm just gonna, while you're using the dehydrator, just cut up some onions to dehydrate, so that you can have a little onion with whatever you're going to eat this with. You can have some onions with it. Some caramelized onions. And then you just sprinkle a little of this on there too. All right. And that's it, family. This is my sausage, I'm just thinking I could, if I can find it. This is something that I could do. Hold on. I know, sweetie, I know. It's all the way to the bottom. Instead of using my hand, I could just paint it like that with the brush. And it's gone down to the bottom, so I don't have to flip it to do the other sides. And I have some that's ready, family, so just hold on a bit and I will come back with the ones that are done. And here it is. This is it. This is how it turns out. And I have some dehydrated onions here. Come over to the light so you could see. Some dehydrated onions to eat on the side with that. Maybe I should try to cut one so we could see. See? And then this is it, family. This is it. Going for the taste test. Family, you have to try this recipe. You have to. It's a must. It's so good. I'm so proud of myself. And I'm sure it's going to be nice with some of the onions. The sweet potato inside with the carrots, the parsley, all of that, the nutritional yeast, everything just put the flavor together. It's wonderful. So family, this is it for now. Please go ahead and try my homemade sausage. You will not be disappointed. I wish you could come and we could all sit and eat this together. That's how much love is in it. So bye for now, family. Please remember to like this video, share it with a friend, share it with somebody that you know trying to be vegan, vegetarian, plant-based and want to have more recipes. Okay, bye for now. Thank you again. Thank you.